This is a 2011 Ford Ranger 4-door Super Cab, 4x4, 137,000 miles. Very clean, straight truck. No rust. Tow package, bed liner, sliding rear window. Running boards. All 4 doors open up. The vehicle is running. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. Perfect student vehicle. Cloth seats, good condition. AM/FM CD, 4x4, 137,000 miles. Power windows, locks, cruise, mirrors. So, 2011 Ford Ranger Super Cab 4-door, 4x4, 137,000 miles, 4.0 liter, 6-cylinder engine. Last year that they made this body style.